In this video, I'll show you how Parasoft makes it super easy to refactor, update, and help the maintenance process of test cases. So back in SOAtest, we had created and executed our omni-channel tests. This was really easy for me to do because the majority of these different test suites that we were executing were actually reference test cases, meaning that they were referencing a different location. So with Parasoft, any test case or any test suite that you create can be added as a new test suite. And the test suites can be references to other test cases, other TST files. And so the idea is that my mobile team could create the mobile executions, my web team can focus on Selenium, I can create my end-to-end omnichannel tests and then reference them together in multiple locations. Change it once, change it all over the place. This makes tests much easier to maintain. That same logic can be applied for tools. In the Parasoft ecosystem, you can define global tools and properties. You can use our existing tools and combine them together into global tools. Define it once, make a complex assertion or some kind of complex authentication, and then use it multiple times. This also applies for database, headers, JMS connections, MQ connections, key stores, policies. Many places within the Parasoft interface can leverage these global indicators. You can also use variable sets for environments, so you can rapidly swap out any variable on demand by simply selecting the active environment in the IDE or using one of the REST APIs to execute that. If anything else needs to be changed or refactored, there's a built-in Parasoft search, so we can dive down into any area in the tool with any field and change it globally across our entire workspace.